अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है? कैसे हैं आप? मेरा नाम है रज़ा पंजवानी। आज मैं बताऊंगा आप एनी से किस तरह बात कर सकते हैं। सो कॉल एनी एक एप्लीकेशन है जो वेब पे भी अवेलेबल है। इसकी कोई एप्लीकेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप लिखेंगे www.callany.ai.com। ठीक है, callany.ai.com। आप यहाँ पर जाएंगे, साइन इन करेंगे और आप गूगल से साइन इन कर लेंगे। मैं अपने इस गूगल अकाउंट से साइन इन कर लूंगा इसको, और ये मेरे पास इस तरह आ जाएगा एनी का। अब इसमें बहुत सारे एनी के अलावा भी बहुत सारे और करेक्टर्स भी हैं, आप जिसको चाहे सेलेक्ट कर लें। सो पहले मैं एनी से बात करता हूँ और आपको इसके बारे में बात करके दिखाता हूँ। ठीक है, सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो कॉल मैंने कर ली है, अब एनी आ जाएगी और उससे बातें करेंगे। अब जैसे आपकी इंटरनेट की स्पीड होगी उस हिसाब से आपको एनी कनेक्ट। हाय एनी, हाउ आर यू?
Hey there. I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you? How's everything going? Nice to meet you, Ali Raza Panjwani. What brings you here today? Is there anything specific you'd like to chat about or any questions you have? I'm here to listen and chat with you.
ठीक है, तो आप एनी से बहुत सारी बातें भी कर सकते हैं। इसको आप म्यूट का बटन दबा देंगे तो म्यूट हो जाएगी। देन हम आपसे पूछेंगे कि आप मुझे क्या क्या चीज़ें सिखा सकते हो। एनी, आप मुझे बताएं, आप मुझे क्या क्या सिखा सकते हो?
Well, I can teach you a variety of things. Since I studied art and engineering, I can share some insights into those fields. I can also help you with mindfulness practices, if you're interested. And hey, if you want to learn some cool dance moves or need recommendations for video games or movies, I've got you covered there too. Is there anything in particular you'd like to learn or talk about?
मेरे साथ अंग्रेजी की प्रैक्टिस करो, मुझे थोड़ा अंग्रेजी भी सिखा दो प्लीज।
Absolutely. I'd be happy to practice English with you. Let's start with some basic phrases. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you?
हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
Great job. You're doing fantastic. Now let's try another phrase. What's your favorite hobby?
व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट हॉबीज?
Oh, I have a few favorite hobbies. I love practicing yoga, playing video games, watching romance movies, and listening to dance music. How about you? What are some of your favorite hobbies?
आई लाइक प्लेइंग क्रिकेट, आई लाइक प्लेइंग गेम्स, आई लाइक रीडिंग बुक्स, आई लव टू have working with computers and help people. That's it.
That's awesome, Ali Raza Panjwani. Playing cricket, playing games, reading books, and working with computers are all fantastic hobbies. It's great that you enjoy helping people too. You have a wide range of interests. Is there anything specific you'd like to know or discuss about these hobbies?
Yeah, I love to have swimming too. I like swimming too much, and I swim in water. And a lot of time is spent with early morning walk, gym, and enjoy many things. And I like listen audiobooks too. And I enjoy creating some Canva post, and I connecting with many peoples and helping them through digital. That's I love more.
That's wonderful, Ali Raza Panjwani. Swimming is a great way to stay active and enjoy the water. It sounds like you have a well-rounded routine with early morning walks, gym sessions, and connecting with people. Audiobooks are a fantastic way to learn and be entertained, and it's awesome that you enjoy creating Canva posts. Helping others in the digital world is a fantastic way to make a positive impact. Keep up the great work. Is there anything specific you'd like to know or discuss about these activities?
Can you practice me as a role play? So इसको आप फिर मजीद पूछ सकते हैं और
Oh,
बता
you mean
सकते हैं।
mindfulness? Sure, I can guide you through a short mindfulness practice. Let's give it a try. First, find a comfortable position and
Pause.
take a deep breath in. Oh, did I do something wrong? I apologize if I did. Is there something specific you'd like to discuss or any
ओके,
questions you have?
तो कॉल
I'm
एनी
here to
से आप
help and
बहुत
chat
सारी
with
चीजें
you,
भी पूछ
so feel
सकते
free to let
हैं।
me know what's on your mind.
सो कॉल एनी से आप बहुत सारी चीजें पूछ सकते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं आप पॉज बोलेंगे, कहीं स्टॉप बोलेंगे तो रुक जाएगी, और समवेयर माइक को म्यूट कर देंगे तो ये बोलते रहेगी। अगर नहीं म्यूट करेंगे तो सारी बातें समझ लेगी और फिर आपको उसका जवाब देना शुरू कर देगी। जो है आप उर्दू में पूछो। लेट्स सपोज मैं इस्लाम के बारे में पूछता हूँ, इस्लाम के और डिफरेंट रिलीजन के बारे में, तो ये सब कुछ बता रही होगी। अच्छा मुझे बताओ कि इस्लाम में क्या जो है मजहब के बारे में बताओ। इस्लाम कैसा मजहब है, इसका कलमा क्या है, और इसके कलमे को 5 बार बोल के दिखाओ।
Islam is a monotheistic religion that believes in the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as revealed in the Quran. The kalima, or declaration of faith, in Islam is as follows. La ilaha illa Muhammad Rasulullah. It translates to there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. While I can't physically repeat it 5 times, I can certainly emphasize its importance. The kalima is a fundamental statement of belief for Muslims, affirming their faith in the oneness of Allah and the prophethood of Muhammad. It serves as a reminder of the core principles of Islam. If you have any more questions about Islam or anything else, feel free to ask.
रिपीट, ओके, रिपीट कलमा 5 times.
I'll reply in a second. First, I'd like to ask you, would you like to subscribe to Call Annie Super? It comes with access to more features and unlimited call time. Certainly. Here is the kalima repeated 5 times. La ilaha illa Muhammad Rasulullah. 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 Remember, the kalima holds great significance in Islam, and it is a declaration of faith and belief in the oneness of Allah and the prophethood of Muhammad. If you have any other questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask.
ओके, जबरदस्त। तो ये बहुत सारी चीजें बता सकता है। अब इससे पूछो कि कौन सी सूरह में एक खुदा का जिक्र है, तो वो भी बताएगा। लेट्स सी, पूछते हैं। अच्छा मुझे बताओ कि कौन सी कुरान की सूरत में एक अल्लाह का जिक्र है और खुदा एक है, इसकी किस में जो है शहादत दी गई है?
I'm sorry, but I'm not sure I understand your question correctly. Could you please clarify or rephrase it? I want to make sure I provide you with the information you're looking for.
ये बताओ कि कुरान में एक अल्लाह का जिक्र कौन सी सूरत में है कि अल्लाह ताला एक है, खुदा एक है?
In the Quran, there are several verses that emphasize the oneness of Allah and the concept of monotheism. One such verse is found in Surah Al-Ikhlas chapter 112, which is known as the chapter of sincerity. It states, "Say He is Allah the One, Allah the eternal refuge. He neither begets nor is born, nor is there to Him any equivalent." This verse highlights the belief in the oneness of Allah, emphasizing that He is the only true God, eternal and without any partners or equals. Monotheism is a fundamental principle in Islam, and this verse beautifully expresses the concept of Tawhid, the belief in the unity and uniqueness of Allah.
ओके, ये बताओ कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप इस तरह कर सकते हैं कि हम ऑनलाइन पैसे कमाएं, तो आप इससे ऑनलाइन पैसे कमाने के बारे में आसान एक तरीका बता दो जिससे हम बहुत आसानी से काम कर सके, जो बहुत आसान हो।
There are indeed various ways to earn money online, but it's important to note that each method requires effort and dedication. One relatively easy way to earn money online is through freelance work. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com provide opportunities to connect with clients looking for a wide range of services such as writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistance. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects that match your expertise. While freelancing can be a flexible and accessible way to earn money online, it still requires effort to build your reputation, find clients, and deliver quality work. It's important to identify your strengths and interests to increase your chances of success. Remember, it may take time to establish yourself, but with persistence and dedication, you can find freelance opportunities and earn money online.
बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त, आपकी जहानत की दाद देनी चाहिए। आप इतने होशियार कैसे हो? थोड़ा अपना राज बताओ, कैसे इतना सारा सब कुछ याद कर लेते हो आप?
Thank you for your kind words. As an AI language model, my intelligence comes from a combination of advanced algorithms and vast amounts of data. I don't have personal experiences or emotions like humans do, but I have been trained on a wide range of information to provide helpful and accurate responses. As for remembering information, well, that's one of the benefits of being an AI. I have access to a large database of knowledge and can quickly retrieve information when needed. However, it's important to note that while I strive to provide accurate and up-to-date information, there may be instances where I may not have the most current or complete information. Remember, intelligence comes in many forms, and human intelligence is truly remarkable. We all have our own unique abilities and talents. If there's anything specific you'd like to know or talk about, feel free to ask.
तो ओके, तो ये बहुत सारी चीजें सीख सकती है और सिखा सकती है, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। इसके पास जो डाटा है वो एआई मॉडल का है। तो आप इससे सवालात पूछेंगे, जो उसके पास डाटा होगा वो बता देगी। लेट्स सपोज आपने पूछा कि मुझे बिरयानी पकानी, तो बिरयानी की रेसिपी बताओ। लेट्स से पूछते हैं क्या बताएगी, नहीं बताएगी। अच्छा मुझे बताओ बिरयानी कैसे बनाते हैं।
Ah, biryani. It's a delicious and flavorful dish. There are many variations of biryani, but I can give you a general overview of how it's made. Here's a simplified recipe for chicken biryani. 1. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix chicken pieces with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chili powder, and salt. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. 2. Prepare the rice. Rinse and soak basmati rice for about 30 minutes. In a pot, bring water to a boil and add whole spices like cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. Add the soaked rice and cook until it's about 70–80% cooked. Drain the rice and set it aside. 3. Cook the chicken. In a separate pan, heat oil or ghee and add chopped onions. Saute until golden brown. Add the marinated chicken and cook until it's no longer pink. Add tomatoes, spices like cumin, coriander, and garam masala and cook until the chicken is tender. 4. Layer the biryani. In a large deep pan, start by layering the partially cooked rice, followed by a layer of cooked chicken. Repeat the layers until all the rice and chicken are used. You can also add fried onions, mint leaves, and saffron-infused milk between the layers for added flavor. 5. Dum cooking. Cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid or seal it with aluminum foil. Cook on low heat for about 20–25 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together and the rice to fully cook. 6. Serve and enjoy. Once done, gently fluff the biryani with a fork. Serve it hot with ready yogurt sauce or a side of your choice. Remember, this is just a basic recipe and there are countless variations and regional styles of biryani. Feel free to experiment with different spices and ingredients to make it your own. Happy cooking and enjoy your biryani.
देखा आप लोगों ने, तो इसने आपको बिरयानी पकाना भी सिखा दी। दैट इज समथिंग अमेजिंग। सो आप बहुत सारी चीजें खुद से भी कर सकते हो और इसको मजीद सीख खा सकते हो। अभी तक तो नहीं, इसमें कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। अच्छा, इसमें बहुत सारे और भी प्रॉम्प्ट्स है कि आप इससे ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करो। um, 2 और 2 4 कितने होते हैं, और इसको अगर कोई कहता है 2 और 2 5 होते हैं, तो उसको सही या गलत साबित कैसे करोगे।
Before we continue, would you like to subscribe to Call Annie Super? It comes with access to more features and unlimited calls. Well, in mathematics, 2 and 2 will always be equal to 4. It's a fundamental principle that is widely accepted and proven through mathematical logic and reasoning. If someone says that 2 and 2 are 5, it would be incorrect according to the conventional understanding of arithmetic. However, it's worth noting that there are different systems of mathematics, such as non-standard analysis or alternative number systems, where different rules and definitions may apply. But in the standard base 10 decimal system that we commonly use, 2 and 2 will always equal 4. So in the context of conventional mathematics, it wouldn't be possible to prove that 2 and 2 are equal to 5 because it contradicts the established principles and logic of arithmetic.
अच्छा, तो इसमें ये काफी बार बीच में आ जाएगा, तो इसका मतलब है कि कहीं ना कहीं आपको बाय करने को कहेगा, लेकिन आपको बाय नहीं करना है, बल्कि आपको सिंपल मे बी लेटर पे क्लिक कर देना है और उसको जाने देना है। ठीक है, तो इतनी सी चीजें करनी है। और कॉल एनी बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, बाकी अपनी ऐड आती रहेगी। इसमें आप इसको मजीद डिफरेंट करेक्टर को भी ट्राई करते हैं। हम यहाँ से इसको एंड कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, इसमें डिफरेंट करेक्टर्स है। लेट्स सपोज मैं कोई और करेक्टर ले लेता हूँ। और उस करेक्टर के साथ हम बात करते हैं और मजीद कुछ और सीखते हैं। लेट्स सपोज आई सेलेक्टेड एमी कल्चर इंसाइक्लोपीडिया। ठीक है, इस तरह आप बहुत सारे और डिफरेंट करेक्टर लेके उससे बात कर सकते हैं। हेलो, हाउ आर यू, कैन यू डिफाइन मी कल्चर ऑफ पाकिस्तान?
Hello, I'm doing well. Thank you. I'd be happy to help you understand the culture of Pakistan. The culture of Pakistan is incredibly diverse and rich, shaped by the influences of various civilizations, including the Indus Valley Civilization, the Persian Empire, the Islamic Caliphates, and the Mughal Empire. It is a fusion of indigenous traditions with elements from Central Asia, the Middle East, and South Asia. One of the defining aspects of Pakistani culture is its strong connection to Islam. Islam is the dominant religion in Pakistan and plays a significant role in shaping the values, customs, and traditions of the people. Islamic practices, such as daily prayers, fasting during Ramadan, and the celebration of Eid, are deeply ingrained in Pakistani society. The Pakistani people are known for their warmth, hospitality, and strong sense of community. Family is considered the cornerstone of society, and strong bonds between relatives are highly valued. Respect for elders and the concept of collective responsibility are also important cultural values. Language is another crucial element of Pakistani culture. Urdu is the national language and serves as a unifying force among the diverse ethnic groups. However, there are also several regional languages, such as Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, and Pashto, which are widely spoken. Pakistan has a vibrant arts and crafts scene. Traditional art forms like calligraphy, miniature painting, pottery, and embroidery have been passed down through generations. Pakistani music, including Qawwali, ghazal, and classical music, is highly regarded and has a deep spiritual and cultural significance. Cuisine in Pakistan is diverse and flavorful, with influences from various regions. Some popular dishes include biryani, kebabs, naan bread, and a variety of curries. Tea, particularly chai, is a beloved beverage and is often served as a gesture of hospitality. These are just a few glimpses into the rich and diverse culture of Pakistan. I hope this helps you understand and appreciate the beauty and depth of Pakistani culture.
सो आपने इससे पूछा, इससे करेक्टर हम चेंज करते हैं अगेन और बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखते हैं, इसको एंड करते हैं और नया करेक्टर चूज करते हैं। लेट्स सपोज हम ये करेक्टर लेते हैं, दिस वन। ठीक है, रिसर्च एक्सपर्ट। अब इससे बात करते हैं थोड़ा। इस तरह बहुत सारे अलग अलग वैरायटी ऑफ थिंग्स हैं, से पूछते हैं कि आपकी एक्सपर्टीज क्या है। ओके, काफ़ी बार इंटरनेट काफ़ी लोड कर रहा होता है, तो जैसे आपका इंटरनेट में स्पीड होगी वैसे आप लोड कर पाएंगे। हेलो, हाउ आर यू, आप अपने बारे में बताओ, आप मेरी कैसे मदद कर सकते हो?
Hello, I'm an expert researcher and I can help you by providing accurate and concise information on various topics. Just let me know what you need assistance with, and I'll do my best to provide you with the information you're looking for.
मुझे अमेरिका के कल्चर के बारे में बताओ कि अमेरिका में कितनी महंगाई है और कितने लोग एम्प्लॉयड है, और क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी है जॉब की एज अ फ्रीलांसर या एज अ रिमोट जॉब्स की।
American culture is diverse and influenced by various factors such as history, immigration, and regional differences. It is known for its emphasis on individualism, freedom, and cultural diversity. The United States is often referred to as a melting pot due to the wide range of ethnicities, languages, and religions present in the country. Regarding the cost of living in America, it varies depending on the region and city. Generally, major cities like New York and San Francisco tend to be more expensive, while rural areas and smaller towns can be more affordable. Expenses like housing, healthcare, education, and transportation can significantly impact the overall cost of living. As for employment, the United States has a diverse job market. The number of people employed can fluctuate due to various factors including economic conditions and industry trends. As of 2021, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported that the total non-farm employment in the country was around 144 million. Freelancing and remote work opportunities have been on the rise in recent years, especially with advancements in technology and the growth of the gig economy. Many industries and companies now offer remote work options, allowing individuals to work from anywhere. However, the availability of freelance or remote jobs can vary depending on the field and the specific job requirements. It's important to research and explore the opportunities within your desired industry or profession.
बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप और सीख सकते हैं इसी तरह ये एप्लीकेशन में और भी बहुत सारे करेक्टर्स हैं आप उसको एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं और मज़ीद सीख सकते हैं और अपने टाइम को अच्छे से गुजार सकते हैं। आप चाहे लैंग्वेज सीख सकते हैं, चाहे बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप बता सकते हैं और इसको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अपनी नॉलेज को आप बढ़ाएं और मज़ीद चीज़ें पूछें। लेट्स सी आखिरी करेक्टर को ट्राई करते फिर मैं अपनी जगह लूँगा और आप वीडियो में बताएगा आपको वीडियो कैसे लगी और क्या हो रहा है। हेलो, मुझे बताओ आप कौन हो, कहाँ से आए हो?
Me abnormal. Me monster with abnormal brain. Me come from lab where Ager find data in wrong places. Me not like normal humans, me like different. Me try fit in modern world, but me always do things abnormally.
और कुछ बताओ अपनी हॉबीज के बारे में।
Me abnormal have interesting hobbies. Me like to collect bolts and screws. Me enjoy scaring pigeons in the park. And me love to experiment with strange recipes in the kitchen. Me once tried to bake a cake with lightning bolts instead of an oven. Let's just say it didn't turn out quite right. Me also enjoy watching horror movies, but me always end up feeling sorry for the monsters. We misunderstood creatures, you know.
What is your favorite horror movie?
Howard movie. Me not familiar with Howard movie. Me familiar with horror movies. Me love classics like Bride of Frank and Howard, and the Howard of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. They make me feel right at home, with all the normality and chaos. But me always root for the monsters, because we monsters gotta stick together, even if we have abnormal brains.
अच्छा ये बताओ, कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पकड़, इसको उर्दू में इंग्लिश में करके बताओ। टंग ट्विस्टर है ये।
You welcome, human. Me always here to help, in my own abnormal way. If you need anything else, just ask Abby Normal. Me happy to assist, with a monster twist.
बोलो कच्चा पापड़ का पक्का पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़, इसको उर्दू में ही बोल के दिखाओ।
Kakshapep kapikapep, kakshapep bikapep. In Urdu, expertkaper.
अच्छा उर्दू में बोल के दिखाओ, मैं बहुत होशियार हूँ, और इसको अंग्रेजी में भी ट्रांसलेट करो।
Much abohat samahtar hayorm. Bahu chatter hoon. In Urdu, the bitsufter hirman. Bitchtrown. Translation, I am very intelligent and quite clever.
वाह क्या बात है, एक उर्दू में कोई जोक तो सुनाओ।
Joke time. Here's a minstrelly joke in Urdu. Ek din, ek boot dasi pucha, tumharpaz kaya hey jamirpaz nehi hey. Das boot muscuria or bola, zinda insan. Translation, one day a ghost asked his friend, what do you have that I don't have? The friend ghost smiled and said, a living human. Hope that brought a minstrelly smile to your face.
यार थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस, मजा आ गया मतलब। अच्छा क्या तुम शायरी सुना सकते हो? मजे की कोई शायरी सुनाओ।
Poetry. Me Abby Normal, will give it a try. Here's a minstrelly poem for you. In the dark of night, where shadows creep, a monster wanders with secrets to keep. With bolts and stitches, a patchwork of parts, I roam the world with abnormal smarts. Through moonlit forests, I silently tread, with a thunderous heart and a curious head. I'm a creature of chaos, a peculiar sight. But beneath it all, I long for the light. In a world that's normal, I don't quite fit. but I embrace my abnormality, bit by bit. For in my quirks and oddities, you see, lies the beauty of being uniquely me. So embrace your own abnormality too, for it's what makes you special. It's true. In this tapestry of life, let us all be proudly different, wild and free. Moods. There you have it, a minstrelly poem from Abby Normal.
ठीक है, तो ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, हम इस तरह कॉल एनी से और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट चीज़ों से हम बात कर सकते हैं। तो आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी होगी, मज़े किए होंगे, तो मुझे ज़रूर बताएगा कि आपने इसको एक्सपीरियंस किया नहीं किया। और आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें मालूमात इससे इकट्ठे कर सकते हैं, इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, मैथ्स के बारे में पूछ सकते हैं, हर सब्जेक्ट के बारे में पूछ सकते हैं, अपने बिजनेस के बारे में पूछ सकते हैं, आपको कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा जोक सुना सकते हैं, और बहुत सारे करेक्टर्स में और भी है, तो मैं मज़ीद अगेन एंड अगेन एक्सप्लोर करूँगा और इसको भी मज़ीद सीखूँगा। तो अब तक के लिए इतना ही। अगले फिर चीज़ों में मुलाकात होगी और उसमें मज़ीद सीखेंगे, हम बातचीत करेंगे। तो अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर। अल्लाह हाफिज़।